Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn all common phrasal verbs with put. Put on. To wear clothing or accessories. Put on your coat before you go outside. Don't forget to put on your sunglasses. Please put on your shoes. Put on the seat belt. Put on. To apply makeup or sunscreen. Put on sunscreen before going to the beach. Don't put on too much makeup, please. Put on. To make a device operate or to cause a device to play something. Do you mind if I put the television on? Put the light on, please. She put on her favorite music to relax. Put on weight. Gain weight. I've been eating a lot lately, and I think I've put on some weight. Put off. To postpone or delay something. We had to put off the meeting due to bad weather. She keeps putting off her work. Put off. To discourage or deter someone from doing something. Don't let setbacks put you off from pursuing your dreams. Put aside. To reserve or save something for later use. You should put aside some money for emergencies. Put aside. To set aside or disregard something. Let's put aside our differences and work together on this project. Put away. To tidy up or organize things in their proper place. After finishing dinner, please put away the dishes in the cupboard. Put away. To save or store something for later use. She puts away some money every month for her vacation. Let's put away some money for emergencies. Put up. To hang or display something. Let's put up some paintings on the wall to decorate the room. Let's put up some decorations for the party. Put up. To accommodate or provide lodging for someone. They put me up in a hotel for the duration of my business trip. Put up with. To endure or tolerate something. I can't put up with his constant complaining anymore. I can't put up with these noisy children. Put down. To write or record something. I need to put down these notes before I forget. Please put down my phone number. Put down. To belittle or criticize someone. Don't put yourself down. You're capable of achieving great things. Put down. Put an end to, stop. Please call the police to put down the riot. Please call the police to put down the riot. Put out. To extinguish a fire or flame. Please put out the candle before going to bed. Please call the firefighters to put out the fire. Put out. To cause someone trouble or inconvenience. I hate to put you out, but could you give me a ride to the airport? Put oneself out. To make an effort to do something to help someone, even if it causes inconvenience. She is always willing to put herself out for the other people. Don't put yourself out. I can manage on my own. Put forward. To propose or suggest an idea, plan or proposal, or name. He put forward a brilliant idea in the meeting. Please put forward my name for the vacancy in your company. Put forward. To advance or move something to an earlier time or date. The meeting was put forward to accommodate everyone's schedules. Put over. To communicate or convey a message or idea effectively. She put her point of view over in a clear and persuasive manner. Put over. To delay or postpone something. The project deadline was put over until next month. Put back. To return something to its original place. Please put back the books on the shelf when you're finished. Put back. To reschedule something for a later time. The meeting was put back to accommodate the CEO's schedule. Put in. To spend time or effort on a task or activity. He puts in long hours at the office to meet deadlines. Put in. To install or place something in position. The window is broken in my room. Please put in a new one. Put across. To communicate or express an idea or opinion clearly and effectively. He put his ideas across in the presentation. Put across. To physically move something from one place to another. He put the groceries across the counter to be scanned. Put together. To assemble or construct something. We need to put together the IKEA furniture. Put together. To compile a piece of work by collecting and organizing various ideas and suggestions. The management is putting together a plan to save the company.